Hello guys, my name is Stanley from TsTech Talk. Today I'm checking out my YouTube monthly review, and oops, you may have noticed we went out wrong. We sent out some wrong email earlier this month. Below is the right one. Big sorry, actually no one is perfect, so I'm not bothered about that. Now this is my name, TsTech Talk, and this is my logo, TsTech Talk channel, created since 12 December. This is actually December 2017, and I currently have 101,204 subscribers. This is actually increased. Everybody's looking for 1K subscribers, and actually grew. And my member is growing 95 plus last month. So it's not that bad. And then my view is actually lower than last month's one compared to my performance. And the minute watch is actually longer. So I think people are paying more attention to my channel. I will be creating more interesting videos later on. And I think I'll actually have more comments compared to last month. Probably I'm going to be reviewing two of them on my next video, but that's when I actually launch my YouTube audit. And then after that, you can notice the latest YouTube news coming in from YouTube. I actually get all this into my monthly review, so I'll be able to check and see if doing the right thing or what next to do or what next not to do. And actually this premiere was launched, and I actually tested it in my last video, the last video I published on this particular channel. So most of you might have seen it, and some might not have seen it. I'm still going to be testing it out more, the YouTube Premiere. Okay, so we could actually check that out, but not now. YouTube Studio is coming out, and actually they rolled out a new YouTube Studio, which is very interesting and more intriguing, better than the previous one. And I'm going to be making more video about the new YouTube Studio that is coming in. You guys should watch out that for my next videos. It's actually interesting, and it makes managing YouTube more easier and more effective. So I'm going to be showing you guys around it and how to do more. Okay, Minecraft, just other YouTube news and stuff. Learn new skill, which I already told you guys I'm already into it. I've been checking out YouTube creators academy, and if you could actually click on this on your own icon, and in order to check it out. So when you scroll down, you're going to see the YouTube spotlight, and then YouTube Spotlight actually comprises of the latest YouTube channel, which are actually the top most watched YouTube channel, as in the upcoming YouTube channel that is viewed the most in that particular month. So you could actually check out this other channel to see what this person has to say, what he has to talk about. And I think more like YouTube is actually making things easier for us. And then talk soon, and then team YouTube. Thank you guys for the message and everything. I actually appreciate it. So that's that for my YouTube preview for October. I think November is going to be better than October, because I've been working my ass off making more videos for you guys and uploading more regularly than before. So you guys are going to be expecting more videos from me, more interesting videos, and we're almost rounding up our Instagram videos. And Instagram is still creating more and more bits, and I'm going to keep making more videos for you guys. Hopefully you guys should catch up and keep up with my pace. I hope I'm not too fast. Alright, thank you guys. If you're actually confused in any of my videos, you guys should probably leave a comment and make my channel more interactive, and the community is actually growing. I think I'm more happy seeing a lot of comments. Not too bad, but last month was higher than this. So I'll be expecting more of that. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Stanley from TsTech Talk. See you guys some other time.